Welcome to Trade Pro. I'm going to test this strategy 100 times in a row that turned a $1,000 account into a $50,000 account in only 2 years. This strategy has got to be 50 times better than anything I've shown on my channel so far. So let's go give thanks to the creator of this strategy. Trade and Get Paid, this YouTube channel, put this strategy out for free. You didn't have to give it out for free, but you did, and for that I respect it 100%. Bless up. That's the first comment. Just bless it up super hard, everyone. I'm blessing up this video so hard right now. Just absolutely incredible. What a godsend. Amazing. Let's go over the strategy here. I'm going to test it 100 times in a row, and we already know that it's going to be, let's be conservative, at least 30 times better than the top strategy I've shown on my channel so far. But if not 50 to 60 times better than the top strategy I've shown on my channel so far. So this is how it works, and it's so simple. I think that the whole thing behind it is that it's so simple and it seems so horrible, and that's why it's the best strategy. It's got to be the best because you wouldn't expect it to even work or be profitable. That's why it's so profitable. So it's like reverse psychology in the market. That's where this guy's just a genius. Absolute genius. Trade and Get Paid, shout out to you. Incredible strategy. So he turned $1,000 into 50,000. He confirms it many times. So yeah, it happened, definitely, 100%. So let's go over the strategy real quick. You can watch his video on it if you're super curious about how he explains it, but let's go over the basics. So you have a 9-period EMA and just the Bollinger Band. So default Bollinger Bands and period 20 or length 20, source close, standard deviation 2, offset 0 on the 30-minute time frame. And we have a moving average, just a normal moving average, 9-period. And essentially what you're looking for is the times where price opens up the Bollinger Band. So if you get a squeeze in the Bollinger Bands, you're looking for price to then open them up. So you can see here it gets opened up, and then you wait for a close below or above, in this case a below, and then the first candle that closes back inside the Bollinger Bands is where you buy if it goes down below. So you'd buy on this candle and then target the 9-period EMA. So the profit target would be right there. Stop loss goes below the lowest point before the candle gets closed back inside. So this one's good. And then in this example, you can see it's squeezed, opens up, get a close outside above. We just wait until a candle closes back inside the Bollinger Bands, and then targeting that 9-period EMA there. So that one is also good. So if you want to see more examples, check out his video on it, but don't forget to bless it up really hard. Just bless it up so hard, guys. So time to test this 100 times in a row, and let's go over the results at the end of the video. Get excited, guys. The results are in after the 100 tests, and they are absolutely horrible. This is the worst strategy I have ever tested, period. So with 58 winners and 42 losses, it doesn't sound all that bad, right? 10 winners in a row, the most losses in a row was 5, only took 2 months of price data. So everything sounds great until you see the gain on the account was negative 19.27%. So I'm thinking that this guy actually was negative 50,000, and that's what he meant. He didn't turn $1,000 into positive 50,000. He turned 1,000 into negative 50,000. That's what he meant. So I must have missed that in his video. So that's my bad for not understanding what he actually meant in the video. But yeah, I'll put that on me. Put that blame on me for sure. So let's go for the winners. So the 58 winners, they totaled 22.73% gain. So the risk reward ratio was terrible on almost every single trade. In fact, the best risk reward ratio was a 1 to 1.29 out of every single trade. So this was the best, and the worst was a 1 to, let's see, what was it? 0.05, I believe. 0.05. So it literally, you lost money on fees. And I still counted that as profit. So it's actually worse than negative 19 with fees. Yeah, so the worst strategy I've ever seen. If we take a look on over to the spreadsheet, out of all 53 strategies on here, it is the worst by a solid margin. So actually quite impressive how bad it is. You have to try to make something this bad. Yeah, really, really just awesomely terrible. But yeah, I mean, there's not too much to say about this. It's just absolute trash. And the guy who made it, he should be ashamed of himself. You know, all sarcasm aside, it's just so irritating to see channels like that where they have these insane claims and the newbies actually believe them. It's so sad, and it's so irritating as well that these people just ruin the trading industry. And yeah, it just sucks that that's how it is. Obviously, you guys know this guy has never made money trading in his life. The $50,000 he's talking about was made by selling courses by lying to people. So yeah, that's what it is. Anyway, hopefully you guys like the video, and this is a warning about anyone who actually believes the types of claims on those channels where they're professional marketers. These guys probably went to school for marketing and sales, and they don't actually trade themselves. So the claims that they make are just absolutely absurd. So yeah, just be careful out there. Yeah, kind of makes me sad about those. Sad that the people do this stuff to people, because so many of their comments were super positive and super thankful. So the people commenting were all just so happy and they fully believed in it. Yeah, so sad. Well, anyway, have a nice day, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.